Hey, this will be a bit different unboxing and video review. A few weeks ago, I've been contacted by a company called OBSBOT that I haven't heard of up until that moment. As it turned out, these guys have been doing some insane stuff with their cameras, and as their name suggests, we are talking about integration of artificial intelligence inside the field of videography. This is Tiny 2 4K webcam, and oh boy, you're gonna love it. Hi friends, and welcome to Digitalna channel. My name is Marko, and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors, and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button, and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by OBSBOT, an artificial intelligence camera brand dedicated to connecting people in the imaging industry to the future. Get your AI camera today. Check out the links in the description and in a pinned comment. No surprise, OBSBOT Tiny 2 arrived in a small package with only company logo, 4K marking, and the image of the device at the front, while the summary of what's inside and extra information is on the back. The unboxing was straightforward, with the manual within the box that awaits once open. Beneath lies the case, which holds the USB-C cable with additional USB-C to USB adapter, OBSBOT Tiny 2, alongside magnetic mount in case you want to attach it to your laptop or to your external display. Speaking about Tiny 2, this product feels premium and it does pack a little bit of weight. That's a cute little baby robo camera. OBSBOT also sent me their tiny remote controller too, which essentially is a presentation clicker and, as expected, webcam remote. Setting it up was no big deal. In order to utilize its potential, I've installed OBSBOT webcam software, and since I've been offered to upgrade its firmware, done that too. Surprisingly, at least to me, my Mac couldn't detect the device until I restarted it. Based on my experience, it may have something to do with my secondary login and apps that I've been using for a whole week, which remained open. Anyway, I didn't look at setup instructions, these servers don't read manuals. And it's part of our tradition to swear a lot when things are not the way we want, yet empty. Much better. Once on, blue indicator will signal that camera is starting, and the moment light goes green, you know that your device is ready. Initiating an OBSBOT app will introduce you to its interface. A lot of stuff there, but don't get me wrong, once your computer knows that camera is there, you can use it with other software, like for example FaceTime. Let me tell you right away, this thing really is the smartest webcam that packs some serious power, with embedded 1/1.5-inch CMOS 50 megapixel sensor, pushing the standards further in terms of video quality. More details and increased sharpness thanks to its 4K support, higher dynamic range, more natural colors, and dual native ISO for both great and challenging lighting conditions. Dual native ISO technology allows you to catch HDR video, although sadly during the time of this recording, this feature haven't been available for Tiny 2 yet. But the big deal here is intelligent AI tracking that has to be initiated by user. You can do this in different ways, by pressing the key, by using gesture control, or simply by saying, "Track me." Sleep, Tiny. It's off. Hi, Tiny. It's on. You should definitely check out those voice commands. Magical Gesture Control 2.0 lets you zoom in and zoom out, or to select and deselect the target that it will follow. Yes, you can use your remote control, but that's not fun. While tracking, OBSBOT will really follow you, and thanks to its 2-axis gimbal, occasionally you'll feel like you're in some sort of science fiction movie. There will be delay, which can be improved by choosing motion as an option. AI-powered auto tracking with auto zoom works flawlessly, while its 4 times faster focus does the job as anticipated. There are other modes too, like hand tracking, which is my personal favorite, and you can choose which hand you want to come to the spotlight. This could be perfect for product reviewers, literal hands-on experience, right? Whiteboard and desktop mode is there too, which could be an excellent choice for presenters or teachers, for example. These two modes along the group one are different from the one that does the tracking, and in these cases, the indicator glows purple. You'll be happy to know that mic works okay, and if you select strong noise cancellation, you can make a difference. This is testing without noise reduction. Noise reduction is now medium. Strong. If, however, you want more capable microphone, you can always order HQ or high-quality mic from OBSBOT website. If you are into fun and hands-on adjustments, you can play with beauty mode, and in case you are a power user, there is a space for detail-by-detail image corrections. If you are into some crazy stuff, you would want to try modifying your visual appearance. You won't be able to make changes by a huge margin, but you can get your head smaller. My head just got smaller. If you were wondering, will the tracking function with your pets? Not really, but when you are together, it works. Even auto zoom and autofocus. OBSBOT is a big leap closer to the future where AI and cameras are becoming one. Yes, it's not like it can be better. Starting with the heat. In a matter of minutes, device can get pretty hot, so I'm not certain is this something normal. Yes, HDR is not ready yet, but it could deal better with extremely low light conditions, considering it wasn't capable of detecting my face in a very close proximity. God forbid tracking me. I truly hope there will be more voice commands, while faster focus switching from one person to another in a group video could be a great improvement. Finally, Tiny 2 4K webcam deserves all the praise it can get. It's innovative product, well designed with sturdy build quality and many features. There is no doubt that its possibilities will expand as time is passing by. The software will definitely improve its current state-of-the-art features, while future iterations will enhance its specs with more powerful hardware, capable of leading us in some new directions, where no camera has gone before. And I'll be waiting. What about you? Please answer in the comment section below. Do you want AI as integral part of your camera system? That will be all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to say thanks to folks from OBSBOT for sending me this awesome product. Great work indeed. Thank you fellow viewers for watching Digital Marketing channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on all notifications. Anyway, my name is Marko. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.
Idioci,